What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to go over the newest Stargate software. It's the Stargate Screener. And as you see on the right side of your screen, that like rainbow looking thing right there, right? We have the red vertical lines. We all know this, right? The red vertical lines, you're prepared to sell soon. Your vertical yellow line is your sell now confirmation. Your vertical green lines, you're prepared to buy soon. And your vertical blue line is your buy now confirmation. Now we can scan 40 assets. Doesn't even have to be crypto. It could be commodities, currencies, stocks, bonds. It could be cryptos as well too. It could be any asset, and we can scan 40 of them on one chart. And you only need one indicator on your chart, just the Stargate Screener, and you're off to the races. So that means you don't even have to pay for a TradingView membership to be able to realize all the benefits and features of the Stargate signals. So that is an added plus because we're talking about TradingView. I mean, it's like even $30, $40, $50 a month to get the access to TradingView on top of the indicator, right? Now you don't even have to worry about it. You don't even have to buy a TradingView account. You can just get a free version, and then we took care of the rest by formulating this in all these indicators into one indicator, and then having 40 assets, making the trading experience so much more easier, and where you can just stay in one place, one chart, and just get the best signals sent to you with an alert for all these in one alert when they flash. So if we're looking at it, right, a lot of other things too. So the person who revised this and made the Stargate Screener for me, he fixed a critical bug in the code. So it wasn't working the way that I had envisioned it to. The way that I formulated this Stargate software, there was 2 bugs in the code that he patched up. So now the indicator works even better. And then number 2 is it's so much more cleaner, and it takes up less space. As far as before, we could click on the vertical lines and pop it up. Nope, if you want to click up the settings, you have to click on the screener, and then you have it right here. So before, we used to look at the we had to look at it with the Heikin-Ashi candles, right? Now we don't even need to do that anymore, because we click this and it's using the Heikin-Ashi candle data while we're looking at the regular candles chart. So that's the key, is we're getting the data from the Heikin-Ashi candles, but we're still able to look at it with the regular candles, which gives us the most up-to-date recent price action and gives you all the data that you visually want to see, the high, the low, the open, the close. And that is such a huge plus to this. Then the show warning signals, you want to keep that on. You can change the colors if you'd like, or make them darker, lighter. I like them a little lighter. And then you have alerts enabled right here. And there's once per bar close that's clicked. So this fixes the issue that we had in the Discord where a signal could flash during a certain candle, but until the candle closes, that's when the signal should flash. So there was instances where a signal would flash, but the candle hadn't closed yet. And then the price would come down. So like the signal would actually kind of be invalidated, but it would still send in the Discord. So I found myself wondering, oh, well, this signal flashed in the Discord, and then trying to go find it and not being able to see it. Now that problem's solved. It's not a problem anymore. Then there's even this button here, show alert on the chart too, if you wanted to. So let's look at this. So if we look in here, it will tell you, all right, ticker XRPUSD, which exchange, Binance, the time that it flashed, the time frame, 10-day, price that it flashed at, and then the type of signal, sell now. But that makes it more messy. We already know. We just follow the 4 colors, and we know exactly what to do at that point, right? So let me turn this off. And then we can go all the way down here. And if you wanted to, you can change these tickers yourself. So you can change it to whatever you want. You can make a stock list. You can make a commodities list. You can make a ETF list. You can make a currencies list if you're in Forex. You can make a cryptos list, right? Like the sky's the limit with this screener, for real. It really puts you ahead of the game. And you can change this. And I could just, save a template like this. Saving a kind of template, and I could be like Stargate Screener stocks, and I could save it like that. And then I could then change the tickers to cryptos, right? All cryptos. And then I could save another template and I could do Stargate cryptos, Stargate screener cryptos. Then I can do save. And then you could save if you're a Forex trader, commodity trader, bond trader, ETF trader, currency trader. I think I said commodities, cryptocurrency trader, any asset class, you'll be able to set up templates for, as well as different settings as far as like the tickers that you're going to be watching, and you don't have to put them in every single time. You can just come now back up to here, the 4 panels, and you could go to Stargate screener cryptos, and bam, all your cryptos are now pulled up. Then if you're like, all right, I want to check out stocks for the day, you just go to Stargate screener stocks, and bam, all your stocks are pulled up. So we made the trading and kind of overall process way smoother than before, having to flip back and forth between charts, go to this coin, that coin, the other coin, check out what the dollar is doing. Now we have the US 10-year yields right here, the dollar, the stock markets, the gold and silver, and like everything that we do in our market updates. Now we can just stay on one. We don't even have to look most of the time now. We can just look at, all right, what's the ticker? What's the last signal? How many weeks ago was it? And then now we can really just dial in to the signals and not really and trust that, right? And trust the signals, but also not really get tied up in the day-to-day stuff, right? We can set long-term templates, we can set swing trade templates, and we can set day trade templates if we would like. And then we can just set the alerts like that. Bam, create. Now I'm going to get 40 alerts set up, or it's going to set up the alerts with one alert, right? So that's the key here too. If you're on a free trading view, you maybe get like 20, 30, 50 alerts. Now you'll be able to set 40 alerts, but it will only register as one. So it's like you're getting a premium trading view just by, which costs $400 a year basically, and you're getting that for free. So we're doing everything we can to save you money, make the process easier for you for trading, and really just make it fun and clean, and just really make it all make sense and give you that clarity you need to know when to pull the trigger, right? So you can even see 10-day chart, XRP. We're looking at this, everything's set up right. Bam, nailed the top. Bam, nailed the top. Bam, nailed the top. Bam, nailed the bottom down here at 30 cents. It did do the buy now a little bit higher. But yeah, and then bam, nail the top, bam, nail the top. So right now, the last signal that flashed was a buy now. So actually, let me go back here real quick. I have to put on. So the one thing that we're going to get fixed is, so if I go back here, if I go on the regular candles, it says XRP USD buy now, right? But the last signal that flashed was a sell now. The one thing he's going to fix is, so the reason why it says buy now here, it's because it's reading it like it's the Heikin-Ashi candle. So if the Heikin-Ashi candles is on, you would see the last signal was a buy now. So he's going to fix that to be correct. So that's going to just cut out another step for us of having to remember that little kind of tweak, right? Now we don't have to remember it. We'll know that, hey, it's just flashing the signals based off the Heikin-Ashi, but we can use the regular candles. And yeah, so nail the top, nail the bottom, nail the top, bottom, top, bottom, right? So like, I mean, you couldn't get any better than this. And that's just making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades over what, 8 years? 8 trades over 8 years, and you probably would have made a killing. Let's see. You would have saved yourself, or you would have shorted down, and you would have saved yourself a year of agony, as well as you would have made 75. If you're doing leverage, shorting it down, you could have made 7.5 times your money, or you could have saved yourself a 75% drop in your portfolio. Then you would have bought at the bottom, and then you would have made 50 times your money in 541 days, and you wouldn't have to look at your chart at all until it flashed a signal. So you're saving time too. And then you had another 8x up, and then you bought. This was like you didn't really get the low on this because you have to go probably down to another time frame. So we do have one thing that's going to be special that we're going to be adding into this indicator, which is the what I like to call all the stars aligning, when multiple time frames are flashing the signal at the same time. Those are like the holy grail of the Stargate signals, just like XRP is the holy grail of cross-border payments, right? So that is going to be an exciting feature update, because you can see now the signals change based off of what time frame you're on. So I'm on the 3-day, and it did say to buy down here, sell right here, buy here, sell, buy, right? Buy, sell, buy. So it's hitting these lows, hitting these tops, sell, buy. And I'm so happy that he fixed the indicator to work exactly like I envisioned. It worked great before. It hit it to a T, but now it's the full vision, the full what I had imagined, what I came up with as far as the rule sets and the parameters that this indicator follows to make those signals flash. So exciting times ahead here at Stargate. Got the Stargate screener all set up, brand new, looking fresh, and a lot of things coming in the pipeline for 2023. We're super excited. This is only just a start, that's for sure. So come step through the Stargate with us. Get in the Discord. Sign up for the 12 days till Christmas special that we're doing. We're doing an insane discount. If you sign up, you get this access to the screener. I mean, we're doing like a 95% savings, and there's only like, I think 10 days left. There's literally only 10 days left. So get yourself in there, and the link will be in the bio in the Discord. Once you get into the Discord, let me pull it up and I'll show you where to go. So once you get in the Discord, you'll likely land in the community guidelines or the launchpad, accept the server kind of rules. And then once you do that, you can scroll up or click the launchpad and come up here. And then once you see the Me6 link here, or you could just go to the pinned messages and you'll see the page to get signed up for your 10 days till Christmas now special. So this is where it's going to bring you Me6 and 12 days Christmas special discount, 20 a month. And you can even pay it up front and get more of a discount too, right? We're taking these down 33, 44 the start of next year, as well as these are going to stay the same. So like we're talking $20 a month versus $222, $333. We're talking like 95% savings. You definitely don't want to miss out on this. If you see any value in what I showed you today, bite the bullet, come step through the Stargate, and I'll see you on the other side. When you enter in the Discord and you get the membership, I'll welcome you to Stargate and say what up. I'll say what up too. So I will see you guys in the next video. We're going to be doing a deep dive on ISO 222. Came across something. I like to call it the X factor, and when it applies to crypto and why that's important, especially when it ties with ISO. So I will see you guys in that video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, get notified in real time when I'm dropping these videos. We're pushing them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.